Hey there, my name is Ian. I'm the product owner of our research and analytics tools at YOUKNOW Technologies. I get the privilege of working with Amplitude on a daily basis, which is an incredible end-to-end product analytics as well as web analytics tool. If you're a marketer and you have had a couple of pain points or frustrations with Google Analytics or GA4, Tag Manager, if you don't know how to write SQL and query your database, or if you really just understand or want to understand your consumer behavior to drive acquisition, retention, and monetization in your product or your company, then this video is for you. I want to focus on one key aspect that I find that a lot of marketers really enjoy and that currently Google Analytics doesn't allow for. And that's user journeys. Now, I could spend hours in the platform showing you a variety of features, but I'm going to show you one specific thing today, and that is user journeys. Now, I'm going to start with Ask Amplitude. And our Ask Amplitude is a built-in AI tool within your actual product. What you can do is literally type out a question and then start to understand that question more from there. So I'm going to start to or want to understand maybe my user journey, but I want to be a bit more precise. I don't want to just give it something easy. So I want to say, please show the user journey for all users that came in from the free delivery campaign. Now, you can do a whole bunch of different tracking within the platform. You can filter through both channels as well as campaigns all the way through your product. So you're not just looking at your marketing efforts and how many actual users or potential prospects came and landed on your website or landed on your product, but you are now able to see all the way through to conversion and even lifetime value of that customer from your different marketing campaigns. So you can see here, it's already built out a user journey, literally from that one question. Didn't take very long. You can see there a whole bunch of different sessions and what they do, and it goes on from there. I can open up this chart and dive in deeper, but I can also directly change the metrics at the bottom. I can look at uniques, or I can look at a particular users. If I have built different user groups, I can look at that from start session, but I can also start from a different place. Maybe I start from where someone added to their cart or whatever that may be. I can also segment based on the UTM source, right? Whether it be email or segment maybe on the device. I can also show past at the end of the session to see what that looks like. It can show other related tasks, and obviously it keeps on prompting you to understand more. Now, what I love about this is the fact that you can jump into the tool on a daily basis, start your day, not needing to understand the taxonomy or how your data is structured or anything really about the SQL or code or anything like that. And you can start to ask questions and understand different aspects. The homepage, you can obviously customize to have your key metrics as a marketing manager or as a marketer. But what I love about this is the ability to really start to hone in and dive into those insights really quickly and really easily. Now, from the user map that I've jumped into over here, I can group them, I can filter them, I can look at different aspects around this user journey. I can look at the top user paths, I can see it over time as well. But if I look at maybe some of the top user paths over here, and I want to see some of those who dropped off maybe after the welcome page, they ended their session, what I can do is directly from here create a cohort of users, which is a group of users, and then I can send them to my marketing. So whether it be a marketing mailer, a WhatsApp, whatever that is, to ask them to come back onto the platform and understand more around what they did or didn't do. So that's it. That's user journeys for marketing managers. I hope this helps and have a great day. Cheers.